Okay, so welcome back. Today we are going to butcher our turkey. What do you think? So we've got the fire going here. We're trying to heat up the water so that we can get the feathers off. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm warming the water up in this pot, but I know it'll overflow with the turkey in it. So we're going to dump it in this garbage can that I cleaned out, and we'll just dunk it in there. That way it's easier. And then we put some cold water with some ice in there to cool it off after we get it butchered up there. And then we got the chicken plucker out here. I still gotta get the extension cord for that. Okay, so back here I got my killing bucket hanging, and that's because I don't think this turkey will fit in the killing cone for the chickens. It's too big. So we're gonna put her in there and then give her a slice there on the throat. And I won't be able to show that because YouTube won't let us, but I know a lot of people get mad about it, but that's why. Otherwise, I would show you. So we're gonna go up there and get the turkey. I ain't happy about doing this because we've had that turkey for quite a while, and she's become a staple of the farm, but she's getting older. Her joints, I know her joints have to be hurting her. She's just too big. She was bred as a meat bird, and she needs to be taken care of, and I hope this will be the quickest, easiest way. We're gonna try to make it as clean as we can make it. Okay, so the goal here is to get up around 150, and we're getting close. We're up over 100, about 120, I'd say, 115. So we're gonna go ahead and get the turkey and do the bad part. Where you at, sweetheart? Turn that light on, will you? Look at her. She just wants to lay down. Yep, I'm gonna see if I can grab her here. She can't hardly move. She's heavy too. Oh, boy, she's heavy. It's all right. She's strong still. Okay. There we go. Shh. Shh. I don't want you to get all worked up. It's all right. It's all right. Okay. I'm going to need your help pulling her neck through the... I got her. Okay, get ready. Get ready. No. She's going to flog me. Try to grab her hand. Can you grab your hand through that hole? I don't think she's going to fit. You fit? She ain't going to fit in there. Okay. Okay, so this is the way I did not want to do it. She won't fit in a bucket. She won't fit in a killing cone or a bag. So I'm going to have to hold her while I put a slice in her throat. So we can't show you this, but that's how I'm gonna have to do it. You've been a good girl. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get her right there. And then I gotta hold her. Man, I want her upside down. Okay, I definitely did not like how I had to do that. We couldn't get her tied up. I had to just hold her between my legs and do it. But it needed to be done. Now my water's too hot. It's 180, so I'm gonna let this cool off until it gets around 160, and then we'll put it in that trash can, and then we'll dunk her in there for like 3 minutes and then see if the tail feathers will come off. All right, my water's down to about 160, 70, 180. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there because it's gonna cool off in that trash can. Okay. Okay, we're close to 150 here. I'm gonna start dunking it. Keep track of the time. We want to do about 3 minutes. Okay. All right, they're down in there. Good. And that gets her completely under. Just barely. She is heavy. All right, try pulling one. Next time I come up. Pull. Hey.
I got one.
Try. Pull, Caitlin.
Got one.
We might have it. Okay. Keep trying to pull every time I come up.
So heavy. That one.
Okay, I think we're good. Okay. Now we're gonna go put her in the plucker. Oh man. She is heavy. Okay. Is she gonna fit? Yeah. Give me that pot of water. That's quite a load for this plucker. I don't have a hose here. I gotta do some plumbing work, so I wanted a pot of water to drip on her. All right, let's send her. Okay. Uh-oh. She tripped the thing. I don't know. I don't think this is gonna work. Okay, so go get me the power plucker out of the basement. It's on the bench, the green. I'm glad I bought this years ago. Yeah, years ago. Okay, we'll just try to. Okay, well, I'll start getting ready to butcher it. You can do the rest of it. You guys can keep working on the wings and stuff. I just don't want to open that up too much. Right underneath that breastbone right there. What do you think? Okay, right there I got it opened up. Watch out. We didn't hold back our food. Okay, so I'm gonna just open this up. Okay, and then just reach back in there. with all the fat.
Mm-hmm.
There's her.
Oh, those are nice.
There's eggs.
Oh, neat.
She was laying eggs for us.
Underdeveloped.
Yep.
Whoa, whoa, that's a lot of eggs.
Like, look, that's all yolk.
That's a lot of eggs to kind of lay for us. It's already done.
I see a bunch of hair on it.
Dude, you had a lot of eggs coming for us.
Mm-hmm.
When was getting ready.
She did lay good eggs.
Yeah. And big ones.
Okay, good. Did that clean? Is that right? Not too far up. There we go. And we don't want to.
Like it's still alive.
Oh, one thing before I forget. We want to get this gland off. Back here. Get this gland off. Gosh, I got a little bit of it. Ow! Just stabbed myself.
What is that gland?
Like a scent gland. Okay, here goes the neck. There. Okay, there's the neck. Go open up that freezer.
Okay.
Or cooler, I mean.
Ew.
And we'll leave her in there for probably half hour.
She looks lower now.
Yep. Okay. Still heavy. Okay. Okay. Let her cool off in there. That went pretty good, I guess. What do you think?
I didn't like it.
I know I didn't like how we had to put her down, but well, she's better off because she was hurting, you know, getting that old. That's a meat turkey, and we kept her longer. We started out with 8, and they all died, but she kept living, and she was laying eggs for us, and she could still walk up and down the bank up there, but she was real slow. All that weight was really hurting her joints, so it's better off this way. And plus, she's not going to waste because we're going to have her for Thanksgiving.
I'm very hungry.
Getting the thighs?
Yes.
I don't like how that sounds.
Well,
Yeah.
this looks like something that they'd serve at like a Viking dinner. Look how big this thing is.
That's right. Homegrown.
I don't even think you need to push that.
Beautiful.
Yep.
So this is all of it?
Yes.
Okay, so you said the breast weighed what together?
10 pounds. 10 pounds, 7 ounces.
Okay, 10 pounds, 7 ounces, and that's with taking the tenderloin or the tender out of both of them. So they actually weighed more than that. And then you said the thighs weighed 2 pounds a piece?
Yep.
So she was a big turkey, but now we've got all this meat, and now she's not walking around in pain anymore. So,
Yep.
Did you enjoy doing this?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah, I didn't like getting rid of her the way we did. We'll have to get a bigger killing cone, but we're ready for Thanksgiving now, guys. So next week we'll be eating our homegrown turkey, and hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, and until next time, thanks for watching and happy Thanksgiving. Hey friends, did you enjoy that last video? If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified every time we post a video. And while you're there, be sure to check out our playlist and our store for some awesome farmhouse merch. We appreciate every single one of you. Thank you.